Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, enhancing Zorawar light tank protection. The DRDO is actively working on bolstering the protection capabilities of the indigenously developed Zorawar light tank as the Indian Army expresses a desire for increased armor and the integration of an active protection system, that is APS. The DRDO is facing the challenge of balancing enhanced protection with the tank's core design principles of lightness and mobility. The Zorawar, designed for high altitude operations, is intended to be a nimble and rapidly deployable asset. However, the Indian Army's demand for heavier armor could significantly impact the tank's weight, potentially compromising its mobility and strategic advantages. Next, A-10 Warthog to roar at India's first international air exercise. In a historic first, India is set to host its inaugural international air exercise Tarang Shakti, commencing on August 6th. A highlight of the event will be the participation of the formidable Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt II, affectionately known as the Warthog. The A-10, renowned for its aggressive appearance and devastating firepower, is the U.S. Air Force primary close air support aircraft. Its iconic GAU-8 Avenger 30mm Gatling gun is capable of firing armor-piercing depleted uranium rounds, making it a potent weapon against armored targets. Next, getting Russian Kamaz Typhoon vehicle for LAC. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police has successfully conducted a demonstration and trial of the formidable Typhoon vehicle as its transport battalion in Chandigarh. This event, graced by officials from Vehicle Factory Jabalpur, marks a significant stride in modernizing the force's fleet. The Typhoon K, a versatile and robust vehicle, is designed to be backbone for logistics support in challenging terrains. Its capabilities extend beyond troops and cargo transportation, serving as a platform for various technical systems and weapons. Available in both 6x6 and 4x4 configuration, the Typhoon boasts exceptional mobility, protection and firepower. Next, BFA Division, that is Bharat Forge Aerospace Division, honored with Supplier Excellence Award. Bharat Forge Aerospace Division has achieved a significant milestone by being bestowed with the prestigious Supplier Excellence Award as Growth Champion at the Honeywell Indian Supplier Summit 2024. This recognition underscores the company's unwavering commitment to innovation and operational excellence. The award is a testament to Bharat Forge's ability to develop cutting-edge technology products that meet the highest industry standards. The company's collaborative partnership with Honeywell has been instrumental in driving mutual growth and exploring new opportunities. Next, building communication satellite in India. India's space regulator on Wednesday offered an orbital slot to private sector companies to build and operate a communications satellite to provide services in diverse sectors such as telephone, television, radio and internet. The Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center released an announcement of opportunity for making available Indian orbital resource to the non-government entities. Next, Chinese ship detained in Odisha port. The Paradeep Port Trust authorities in Odisha have detained a Chinese cargo ship following the arrest order of the vessel by the High Court over a monetary dispute, an official said on Wednesday. Under Admiralty law, a ship can be arrested for the enforcement of maritime claims that arise out of the ownership, construction, possession, management, operation or trading of any ship. Thank you.